In this tutorial, we're going to examine how to create a Gmail account, which is the first step not only in accessing Gmail, but also in accessing Google Apps, Google Calendar, personalized Google Maps, and many other Google applications. So to begin, we're going to visit gmail.com. We're going to click on Create an Account, and we begin with the very obvious stuff. Now it's asking us for a desired login name. Chances are that your name, the way you want to use it, might be used up. So if I try cdiabald@gmail.com, oops, don't want that part, and I check availability, it's already used up. So I can try, oh, not available. Not available. So people often resort to using numbers. In this case, what I've done is just used my middle initial, and that's made it exclusive enough that I can use it. Now, what we're going to do next is choose a password. Password should have a mix of characters. We need to enter that twice. And we're probably not going to want to stay signed in or enable web history, especially if we are in a school setting or a public setting. We can choose a security question if we want, although that's optional. More important is the secondary email. The reason that's important is that if you ever forget your password, Gmail can email you your password to that secondary email address, and then you can regain access to your account. The next is a CAPTCHA. These are sometimes difficult to read. The purpose of the CAPTCHA is to prevent bots or automated processes from being able to create Gmail accounts. While we're on that topic, it's also true that you will not be able to create multiple Gmail accounts from one location. Gmail will stop that very quickly because it perceives that as bot activity. So you don't want to try to have a class or a group of people all creating Gmail accounts at the same time. It's best if people create them at home or create them with a space of time in between. We're going to scroll down to the bottom of this, and we'll click on I accept, create my account, and our account is created. And that's all there is to creating a Gmail account. We should point out that it is possible to create Google accounts rather than Gmail accounts to access Google Apps and certain other Google applications. However, because Gmail accounts include all the abilities of a Google account and much more, we always recommend that you create a Gmail account instead. Essentially, a Gmail account is a superset of a Google account and therefore preferable.